Welcome to the London Outlook for Wednesday, the 10th of January 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar, as you can see, there is one dreadful news event with the Bank of England governor speaking. When this news event does occur, I will generally exit any open positions and I will probably end trading for the day at this point because the speech typically lasts an hour and a bit. So yeah, because we generally don't know what he's actually going to say, it's quite difficult to actually manage the risk on your trades. So it's best to just avoid trading during these times. Then moving on to the 4-hour chart, what we can see is that we're still in this confirmed bullish market structure. The bearish day did actually occur yesterday as anticipated, having based on the fact that there were 4 consecutive bullish days and the 5th day was likely to be a bearish day. However, what we can see is quite an ugly range is forming at this point. You can see we had one reaction from this 4HOB, another and another. Well, maybe not another just yet, but it's not ideal because there's no follow through at the moment, so it's a question mark as to whether this is going to hold. Having observed this, I think the best course of action is actually to just wait it out till the secondary leg is extended or it's reset at the top. Provided that this 4HOB holds, we can then consider shorting, or if this is extended, we can consider longing. However, when price does come down all the way down here, I will evaluate if we've already moved majority of the daily range, and if we have, then it doesn't actually make sense to continue looking for the shorts. It's often asking too much from price. The other thing to note is I'm on the 15 minute because on the 5 minute in particular, I'm on the 5 minute because on the 15 minute there's actually no valid secondary leg. So yeah, since that's the case, we move one time frame lower, and on the 5 minute we could actually validate the secondary leg, which is what you're seeing right here, with the last valid POI in this leg being this point. However, since then we were unable to find any trade entries in this POI, which then led to this new alternate leg forming. And since we can't trade tertiary legs and we have to stick to the secondary legs per my trading plan, the best course of action in this scenario is actually to wait for one side of the secondary leg to be taken out and then to reevaluate accordingly. Like I mentioned yesterday, we were unable to trade from this area purely based on the fact that the previous day low of the day was created before the high of the day, making the direction for that day as such. And because we weren't actually validating a new leg, we were trying to trade based on the existing secondary leg. This PA was invalid, and my rules with regards to the current high of the day anchoring requires that it extends the leg that we're trying to trade from in the current day. And since that didn't occur yesterday, we were unable to actually find any entries. And the same goes for this morning. There isn't really any opportunities to trade because we're still within the secondary leg, and our best course of action, like I said before, is to wait for the secondary leg to be extended. In terms of what a valid extension is for me, I wait for a body break of this level right here, which is why I've got this alert set based on the body close, and then I will execute accordingly. Overall, it was a pretty good day. Yesterday, I mean, you can take these days as bad days because there aren't many opportunities, or you can look at it as positive and the fact that you don't have to be in front of your charts when there isn't opportunities. So let this range play out. Let's price tell us where it wants to go, and then we'll execute accordingly. Have a good London session, and we'll chat again for the New York session.